Mm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Peter, you look exhausted.
I am, Lois. Life as a Mexican immigrant is brutal. Even after 7 jobs and joining Menudo, I only made $25.
Now look, don't get me. I've been so worried about you that I asked someone for help.
Oh, fast. Immigrants don't take handouts. They just take 1 DVD a month from the house they're cleaning until they have a respectable collection.
It's not a handout, it's a job. Daddy employs lots of immigrants, and he said you could work at the mansion.
Oh, dear God.
Well, thanks a lot, Mr. Punishment. I promise I won't let you down. Well, they all do eventually, except for Noriega. God bless him and his drug money. I wish he were here today. Hi, Mr. Punishment.
Oh, God. I had to hold it. So
There they are. Hi, Mom. Hi, Grandma.
Grandma!
You.
Peter, I'm using you as a house immigrant to take my family's luggage to their rooms and then go get settled down at the servants' quarters. Right away, Mr. Punishment, sir.
Daddy, we don't want any special treatment. We're here as a family, and we're gonna live as a family.
Are you serious? We come to a mansion and you want to live with the help? Ugh, it's like going to a strip club on a Tuesday afternoon. Is there anyone here who hasn't had a C-section?